I'm Nick Jordan.
I'm Jacob Cartwright.
And we've been commissioned to make a new film installation and artwork based here at Goodshaw Chapel. It's an 18th century nonconformist chapel with a really fascinating history. So we're just at the beginning of our explorations into its connections with both the textiles industry and the local community here, and its connection with the landscape of these valleys and cloughs.
We're going to be making a film, and we're also collaborating with musicians and a poet and historians, just looking into the history of this place, but also trying to find a way of connecting what's going on today with the history of this incredible building and the people and the environment surrounding it.
Yeah, and of particular interest to us is the choir, the Larks of Dean, who were the choir that were the founding members of this chapel and congregation in the 1760s. And there are manuscripts of their music which are in the Whitaker Museum, which we've been looking at. And we're looking to reinterpret and reimagine their work.